Did your winch cable suddenly snap in the middle of snow plowing? Well, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a cheap, easy, and fast repair until you can replace the winch cable with a new one. Okay, here I have some duct tape, which is not absolutely necessary, but it just makes the wire easier to work with if you have it on hand. Okay, now let's find a good spot on the wire where it's still strong, and then let's wrap it with the tape. And then I'm going to take a bolt cutter here and cut right over where that tape is. Now let's make sure the cable is in the right spot. You can see I'm putting it in there where it goes. Let's unspool a bit of the rope so we have more to work with. And then you can see here I have some cable clamps. I have two here just to make sure it doesn't slip. So let's feed them onto the rope. Then we're just going to make a loop and feed it back through both of the clamps. Then I'm just going to take my ratchet here and tighten down both of the clamps nice and tight. And then I just put on my keychain here and we're good to go. That's a good temporary fix. Can get you through your plowing till you can get a new cable installed. Thanks for watching.